What is immigration court and what should I expect when I go there? So you've received a notice to appear in the mail. Now you know that the government wants to deport you from the United States for violating the U.S. immigration laws. I know it can be very confusing and scary time, but there's no reason to panic. When you go to immigration court, the case will start with a master calendar hearing where you and many other people who are there for the same reason will be introduced to your judge, and the judge will make sure that the judge knows your name, your address, and the language you speak best. The judge will also make sure that you have the notice to appear, or the NTA, which tells you why the government wants to deport you. The first part of the immigration court case, which can take many master or individual merits hearings, is for the judge to determine whether or not you can be deported from the United States. That is, has the government proven that you violated the United States immigration laws? Sometimes that's very easy to prove because perhaps you overstayed your visa or you entered the country illegally. Sometimes it's very hard to prove because the government is alleging that you obtained your green card by fraud. And so the first part of the case could be as easy as one hearing, or it could take many years with many hearings. If the government's unable to prove their part of the case, then the case is over with and you get to go home and be with your family. If the government is able to prove their part of the case, then the burden shifts to you for the next part of the case called the relief stage. That is an opportunity for you, hopefully with an attorney, to file an application for relief from removal so that you can prove to the judge why you shouldn't be deported from the United States. That could be something like asylum, cancellation of removal, some sort of waiver, or adjustment of status. Eventually, you'll have an individual merits hearing where you'll have an opportunity to present evidence and witnesses to the immigration judge for why you shouldn't be deported from the United States. If you lose at the individual merits hearing, the judge can order you to be deported, but you always have the right to appeal to the Board of Immigration Appeals. So, if you receive a notice to appear, don't panic. Make sure that you appear for court and make sure that you schedule a consultation with an experienced removal defense attorney as soon as possible to discuss your rights and any relief from removal that you could be eligible for.